Welcome back to another unboxing, and yes, it's the time of the year, although hindi pa Christmas. But first, let me unbox this one. This is another Teddy Lulu. So, ito yung mga pwede mong mapili. I already have one actually. It's here. I have the pink one. Si pink one is si Tender Teddy. Here. Actually, nakuha ko nung una is The Happiness Teddy. Pero, nag-change kami ng friend ko dahil mas bet ko yung medyo pink. So, right now, I'm aiming for Witty Teddy or Courageous Teddy. So, let's do it. It's here. Actually, mas cute to kaysa sa mga labubu. Pero, it's hard to find it in Manila. I bought this one sa Kaohsiung pa. And what I got is it's the Courageous Teddy. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. The green color, look at that. It's the color of money. Tingnan mo naman, how cute. It's so soft, it's so fluffy, and the face, it's giving face card, diba? And anyway, ito na nga. So on to the major unboxing. So we all know na lumabas ng iPhone 16, and yeah, before that, first and foremost, I would like to thank Beyonce for this opportunity. Beyonce, so I got my new iPhone 16. I pre-ordered in Electroworld, Trinoma, kasi sila yung pinakamababa na offer. Tapos ito, it comes with a free personal refrigerator. So hindi na ako lugi. And this time, usually yung binibili ko is yung mga entry level lang. 13, 14, ganun lang. Hindi ako nag-upgrade last year into 15 because I know walang masyadong difference sa 14. So right now, I'm using 13 and 14. So I skip 15. So kaya sabi ko this year, deserve ko naman na mag-upgrade uli. And I did all the computation, justification, kung talaga bang bibili ako ng bagong iPhone. And yes, so I got this one, 77,990 yung SRP niya. But if you're using PNB credit card, which is I don't have, kaya yung friend ko is meron siya. So sabi ko, can I use your card? So we got this one for only 69,990. O diba? Ang laki ng savings, 8,000 agad. And then, I sold my iPhone 13 for 20,000. So, imagine 69,990 less 20,000. So, magkano yun? Parang 50,000 na lang siya, di ba? And then, I have incoming rebate for my video credit card na amounting to around 20,000 pesos. So, another less na naman siya. So, 50,000 less 20, 30,000 na lang. O, diba? Talaga namang kinompute ko lahat ng mathematication level ginamit ko for this one para ma-justify ko siya. And then I have so much points sa isang card ko, which is the Citibank, which is the East West Bank Platinum card ko. So ang dami na niyang points, and parang pinaka-practical kung pinaka-practical kung yung points ko is gagawin ko siya or i-convert ko siya into parang money rebate. So all my points is amounting to around 22,000 pesos. So 30,000 less another 22,000, 8,000 na lang. So parang 8,000 na lang ang nilabas kong cash para mabili ko ang iPhone 16 Pro in 256GB, almost fully paid, o diba? Kasi ipipay ko na siya sa friend ko ng dalawang bagsak, isang 35 tsaka 35. O, diba? It's so nice. Tsaka first time ko mag-pro. Usually talaga 14, 13, 12. Ganong level lang tayo. Kasi nga, feeling ko hindi ko deserve masyado. Pero, yung Zoom level, parang gusto ko naman siyang itry. Kaya naman, I go for 16 Pro na 256GB. Ayoko ng Pro Max kasi it's too malaki. Masyado siyang malaki for me. So, mas gusto ko yung isang kamay ko lang yung gumagana pag nag-phone ako. And na-unbox ko na siya sa store kasi nga kailangan i-check yung physical appearance. But for the sake of video, Janjuran, I got the Desert Titanium. Look at that color. O, diba? Oh, yung fridge hindi pa siya nadi-deliver. Baka tomorrow pa lang. So, included sa box ng Apple, syempre, yung bago niyang wire. na parang mesh type or something. And this one is type C already. And then, ito, yung mga paperwork yung mga babasahin, parang wala na siyang kasamang sticker. I-check natin. Oh, wala na siyang kasamang Apple sticker. Bakit naman ganon? Yeah, parang wala na nga. Anyway, it's okay. And then the phone is here. Look at the color. It's so pretty. Sobrang ganda niya. Naka-order na ako ng case sa Shopee for only 85 pesos. And medyo matchy sila, o diba? Ah! Makay. Nakakaloka to. So, i-open na natin. Open na siya ha. Nakapag-transfer na ako. Pero yung SIM card ko, dahil naka-eSIM ako, I have to go pa sa Globe para mag-request ng bago. There. It's so nice. Diba? So, talaga namang deserve ko to dahil nagtrabaho naman tayo kahit arte-arte lang, 'di ba? So anyway, if you are looking for a perfect sign na mag-upgrade ng telepono, I think this is it. But make sure na it will not break your budget. Dapat meron pa rin sobra, maraming sobra pag bumili ka ng bagong phone. And i-justify mo lahat-lahat, gawin mo para malaman mo kung deserve mo talaga. So that's it. Bye!